up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out J Park. Just came out with some new-ish. Need to know. I saw that, or I saw someone tell me that Nose is in here. You know what I'm saying? Did I say her name right? The dancer. If you've watched, I've watched Street Woman Fighter. Obviously, of course, she went viral because being Kai's dancer as well, she was killing the game. And just after watching the show, yeah, hella good dancer. Of course, she's beautiful as well. I see that they're both in a video. I'm like, oh, is she gonna sing? But I don't know actually what's gonna happen until I'm gonna watch it right now. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go, let's begin. J Park, Need to Know, official music video. Let's get it, let's go. Wow. I actually had some J Park 1 soju. A homie gave it to me from Korea. Hey, what's up, Nose? Ooh, okay, with the glasses. Oh, I need to know, baby. She fire though. Classic J Park driving up with his. Oh, he got 2 tickets. Damn, why he giving me like 2005 glasses look? Need to know, hey. What did he say?
I'm sipping a soju.
How you know? You be watching me or something? You be watching this fat ass. Let's continue. What did he say? How you know? Me too. I do love a fat ass. Anyways, moving on. Keep popping. He's being the nerd. Classic. Oh, what's happening? Oh my god, he's so cool. Ooh, we got them sharp features, boy. Got them sharp features. Oh, where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? You know what's crazy? She was already beautiful beforehand. But now she's music video ready, you know what I'm saying? Hey, woo, that was fire. Hey, get the, yeah, already know I love the body rolls. Hey, Jake gonna get it. Hey, what are we doing? Hey, oh, over there, where we're going, and hey. Hey, oh, the choreo though. Hold up. Hey, Oh, that's cute though. I might do that with my girl for a TikTok. Oh, what was that? Was that actual edit or was it a glitch? Oh wait, did they just like stop like that? It looked like a glitch. Not the filter though. I just feel like some Aquaman vibes, yo. I know I'm talking about like the past. Ooh, with the body roll too? Do you wanna ride? Out of seat, yeah. Still in the way. What are we body rolling to, yo? This feels like a classic J Park kind of vibe, you know? And adding Nose to it too. That's like a more spice with her, like just her appearance and dancing with her. Obviously, he has the love interest in this music video. Say, yeah, what happened? Bro, they legit look like Tumblr. Like they were popular in Tumblr, you know, like with the glasses, the hair messy with the plaid. But we look like we're going back in time either way. She looks fine. I'm talking about Jay. Good? Damn, she falling in love. But he blind though, because he took off them glasses. Whoa, he made the move. but he got the fucking watch like he was the person that she was attracted to. It's not some Steve Urkel-ish. I don't know if you guys know Family Matters. Steve Urkel was the nerd, like, did I do that? I don't know if y'all too young for that, but every time he would become like Alfonso or something like that, like, and then he would be like super cool, and then the girl interest that he liked, like, kind of liked him, but I don't know. But that was fire. You know, shout out to More Vision, Jay Park, you doing your thing. Oh, produced by Cha Cha Malone. Hey. Yo, I swear to God, if I was an R&B, if I had a voice, bro, I'd be just saying that outlandish. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think of Jay Parks Need to Know. Go check out the links down below for the Discord link to join the Discord to keep up with me through TikToks, Instagrams, YouTube. I usually update over there. Keep on dreaming, believe through repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.